Guys, Mamthele Malinga explained her struggle izimo abhekane nazo throughout her 35 years acting career. Guys, uthi Mamthele, she has been living as a con actor. Guys, what is a con actor? Guys, a con actor umuntu obhadalwa ngamalanga achashelwe wona. Guys, makuphela lawo malanga lawo, you are no longer getting paid, and the longest contract that she has got since waba yi-actor ngaphandle komkhokha. Guys, like uthi the longest contract ake ayithola before it was on Generations, except umkhokha before umkhokha. Guys, so the umkhokha is the second one that she got. So guys, here's the video, her explaining everything. Guys, her struggles izinto abhekane nazo over the years.
And I've been acting all my life. Ngithole 3 days lapha, ngithole 5 days lapha, ngithole the longest contract engaba nayo kwaba is May, June, July, August, September, October. Yeah, kwaba is 6 months. Yaba from May to October. That was the biggest contract engake ngaba nayo, and that was Generations a long time ago. I was a call act. Yini call act? A call actor umuntu who gets paid according to the number of days abizwe ngawo uzoshoot. I always survived. Bekuloke ngiphila as an actor. Nebona ukuthi kunzima kanjani? Bengiqala ngomkhokha ukuthola i-contract, ngashuthi i-first season, ngashuthi i-second season. And the drama series esayishuta every 2 months, eyidlala every Sunday ngo8, ekuyona eyasenza ukuthi umkhokha sithole ibe yi-telenovela.
Once again, if you find value in this video or somehow you love the video, can you please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon in order for you to be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video.